Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2025 Volkswagen Taos and I will show you which fuse to check in case your blind spot monitoring is not working. This video should apply to these vehicles made from 2022 all the way up to 2026, possibly even newer. Also, if this video was helpful, please support the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the fuse you want to check is located in a small fuse box which is under the steering wheel, just behind this cover. Now to remove the cover, all you have to do, pull it straight towards yourself. Just like that, and you will get access to the fuses. And the fuse you want to check is this small 7.5 amp fuse in the bottom left corner. Fuse number F32. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.